Hey, aloha, everybody. This is Woman Kahayali. On behalf of Operation Recovery Maui, we wanted to share a little message with you about the educational future of the children here on Maui. On August 8, 2023, King Kamehameha 3rd Elementary School was turned to ash and dust. However, the voices, the laughter, the joy of the children still beat here. And so we want to come together and help establish a new curriculum, a new school, to help these children and everybody in the community, quite frankly, to discover new tools for empowering themselves and getting their story out into the world. You can help us make that happen. Your donation, no matter how great or how small, can help us reach out to our global network and have our ohana out there. Join in with us in this journey. We are going to educate and empower the future today. We have a saying in Hawaii, kawamamua, kawamahope. The future is in the past.
Vahima ke ao